What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. I'm going to show you a test run of that gorgeous Bachmann On30 Climax steam locomotive. I did decoder installation using Soundtrack's decoder and Railmaster Hobby speakers. The summary of installation, I'll put the link to the video in the description. So using DCS52 Digitrax, LNWI, and wirelessly connecting any throttle supporting Wi-Fi throttle, JMRI. So in this case I'm using ESU Mobile Control 2. The nice part I really like, I can access to all functions, like just scrolling. So it's just my personal preferences. Also switching direction here, or just it's CSU feature, so just going to the end of the throttle on the left, it's switching direction as well. So we're in reverse. Let's move forward a little bit. The really challenge of that installation to find a place for biggest possible speaker. Took me a while to figure out. Just going through the switch, no problem. All wheels, they picking up current. There we go. The rear light looks like this. So I'm very happy with installation. Took me a while again, but at the end it's very nice. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Happy New Year.